The Brahmaputra is the youngest among the major rivers in the world. The river travels from its origin, in the young Himalayan range, through the Tibet, India and finally merges with the sea in Bangladesh. The environment of the Brahmaputra floodplains, in Assam, has been described as Brahmaputra Valley semi-evergreen forest. River riparian zone acts as a bridge between terrestrial and aquatic habitat. Its riverine vegetation ecologically termed as highly dynamic vegetation. The river is a classic example of the interlaced stream with multiple channels and sandbars. Locally these sandbars are called Sapori. People live in these Sapori and used the land for agriculture purpose. Livestock farming. And some of them depend only on the river by catching fish.
আমাৰ ইয়াত আজু ককাৰ দিনৰ পৰাই খেতি বাতি কৰি আছে আৰু আমাৰ খেতিটোৱেই হ'ল জীৱিকা কুঁহিয়াৰ খেতি সৰিয়হ খেতি আলু খেতি মাটিমাহ খেতি এইখিনি কৰিয়ে আমাৰ ৰাইজে চলি আছে আৰু পৰিয়াল পুহি আছে আৰু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীখনে আমাৰ পলক দিয়ে খেতি বাতি ভাল কৰে আৰু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰখনে আমাৰ প্ৰাণ বাৰিষা কালতো আমাৰ ইয়াত পানী হয় পানী হোৱাৰ বাবদ আমি 2-3 মাহ খেতি বাতি অলপ অভাৱ হয়
The natural vegetation and cultivated crop attract many species of insect. Insect are of primary importance in recycling of nutrients, play a significant role in the maintenance of soil structure and fertility. Camouflage and mimicry are the common methods of protection, evolved by insects to protect themselves from predators. There are some, like this caterpillar, we still know essentially nothing about. Among them, butterflies, which are good indicators of environmental change, as they are sensitive and are directly affected by changes in the habitat's atmosphere, temperature and weather conditions. The courtship of butterflies is a complex ritual and it differs from one species to another. In the floodplain, we recorded 86 species of butterflies. Both southwest and northeast monsoons bring rain to this region. The average rainfall is 2393 millimeters. Due to rain, small stream form, which fascinate the odinates. Dragonflies and damselflies, collectively called odinates. Odinates are ancient groups of insects, the first to develop wings and venture into the air. Dragonflies mastered the art of flying and continue to be the masters aerobat. 22 species of odinates are recorded in the region. The riverine islands serve as nesting grounds for freshwater turtles too. In Assam, turtles play a very important role as religious belief, both in folklore and culture. They representative of a lineage dating back to the dawn of the age of the dinosaur. While not as visible as large mammals or fish, they often fulfill important roles in the freshwater ecosystem, including seed dispersal and vegetation management, and preying weak and sick individuals. As an indicator species, freshwater turtle can provide invaluable information on the health of river ecosystem. Thus, conservation efforts urgently need to be stepped up. Birds are those species of animals on the planet who can fly with the help of their wings. Due to climate change and global warming, many species of birds are getting extinct at an alarming rate. Here are some species of resident birds. Little cormorant, Microcarboniger. Swamp francolin, Francolinus gularis. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Darter, Ambinga melanogaster. Listed as near threatened by the IUCN. Lesser adjutant, Leptilus javanicus. Listed as vulnerable on the IUCN. River lapwing, Vanellus duvausili. Listed as near threatened by the IUCN. Kamnhupu, Upipa epops. Green bee eater, Merops orientalis. Bank mina, Acrydotheres gingininus. Little egret, Egretta garzetta. Fulvous whistling duck, Dendrocygna bicolor. Little ringed plover, Charadrius duhius. Bronze-winged jacana, Metopodius indicus. Spotted owlet, Etbine brahma. Black kite, Milvus migrans. Bengal bushlark, Marafa assamisa. White-throated kingfisher, Halcyon smirensis. The kingfisher struck a San Martin riparia bird against a branch of the aquatic plant killed before swallow. They are famous for hunting and fishing. Migratory birds have followed the same flight patterns for millennia, searching for abundant food resources. In the winter season, the Sandbar and river became the hotspot for migratory birds like white wagtail, Motacilla alba. Ruddy shelduck, Tadorna ferruginea. Red-crested pockard, Netta rufina. Common pockard, Aethia farina. Ferruginous pockard, Aethia neroca. Listed as near threatened by the IUCN. Black-headed ibis, Thurskyrnus melancephalus. Griffon vulture, Gypsum listed as near threatened by the IUCN. Gadwall, Anastripera. Common greenshank, Tringa nebularia. Grey-lag goose, Answer.
I am Ranjit Kumar, DFO, Sonitpur West Division. I am in charge of this division for last 3 years almost. Sonitpur district is nestled with the Himalayas and also the Brahmaputra river. So Brahmaputra is the lifeline of this area, and a lot of people are dependent on this Brahmaputra river. And also it is a abode of the very endangered and very rare species, and like soft-shell turtle, that is an abode of the soft-shell turtles, like this very rare fishes, and it is under this Sonitpur district area.
We ought to recall that ensuring wild places isn't just about safeguarding delicate biological systems from unlawful trespass and destruction. It is likewise about establishing conditions where people and wildlife can exist together, share assets, and thrive.